Man, really love this new car that moment, but
I'm going to sell Jeffy's car. Ha 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 ha.
Whoa, is that the car for me?
Yes, it is. I just sold an anonymous person's car to give it to you. You can drive it if you want.
Thank you, Mario. I'm going to drive this right now.
I'm going to leave now.
now that I'm done looking curious, I'm going to drive by. No, what happened to my car?
Ha 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 ha. I am the one who sold your car. Ha 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 ha.
Daddy, how dare you sell my car badges? I'm going to tell Mom on you.
Oh no 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 no. I'm so dead.
Oh, Mario. How dare you sell Jeffy's car? That's it. You're grounded for 2 weeks. And for your punishment, Brooklyn Tea Guy is going to break your bones.
Brooklyn Tea Guy, please don't do this to me. We're best friends. Oh 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 oh.
Now I'm going to watch the basketball game.
Mario, go to our room right now. Jeffy, I'll return your car by using KindMaster logic. KindMaster logic, bring Jeffy's car back right now.
Yes, my car is back. Now I'm going to get myself a Happy Meal.